Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a very beautiful and easy to make coaster or mug rug. For this project, I am using a 4mm crochet hook size and a 4-ply yarn. This is a silk yarn. First of all, we would make a slip knot with this yarn. Now to start, we would make chains with the help of crochet hook. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. After making 4 chains, make a slip stitch into the very first chain to form a ring of chain. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 to start the first round, and these 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring of chain and then draw a loop with the help of hook. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch, which is second double crochet stitch. Now make a double crochet again into this ring, double crochet 3. Now make double crochet 4 into this ring and again make another double crochet into this ring. We would make 12 double crochet stitches till the end of first round. So I have made 12 double crochet stitches here. Now we would make a slip stitch into the third chain, which is here, and our first round is completed. Now we would start the second round. So to start the second round, make 3 chains again, which will be counted as a double crochet in every round. Go into the same third chain where we have made slip stitch and make a double crochet into it. Now we have 2 set of double crochet stitches here, including first 3 chain. Go into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 3, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Then go into the next double crochet stitch, which is third stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. So in this way we would make total double crochet stitches in each of the double crochet stitch of first round till the end. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. To start the third round, make 3 chains, which will be counted as a double crochet. This is our simple stitch. The next double crochet stitch is our increasing stitch. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. Now next stitch is again our simple stitch. Make 1 double crochet in the next stitch, then 2 double crochet stitches into the next one, then again make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. So this would be the pattern for the third round. We would make 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet, one after the other till the end. Then we would make a slip stitch into the third chain again to close this round. Then we would make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, and next stitch would be our simple stitch. Make 1 double crochet in it. After these 2 stitches, including first 3 chains, this third double crochet stitch is our increasing stitch. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this stitch. Then into the next double crochet stitch make 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch make 1 double crochet. After these two regular double crochet stitches, into the third stitch we would make 2 double crochet stitches again. So double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this stitch. So repeat it till the end by making 2 double crochet in every third stitch. After this fourth round, in fifth round we would use a chocolate color yarn and we would make a slip stitch with this color of yarn. So make a slip stitch into the third chain with this chocolate color yarn. Pull the starting yarn and make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the same chain 3 and then draw a loop. Wrap the yarn again, go into the same stitch and then draw a loop again. Now we would pull the yarn through all these loops together to make a puff stitch. You can make puff stitch by making more loops as well. Now make 2 chains, go into the same chain, draw a loop for the first time, wrap the yarn again, go into the same chain, draw a loop for the second time, wrap the yarn, go into the same loop, same chain, draw a loop for the third time. Now pull the yarn through all these loops together to make a puff stitch. So this is a shell of puff stitches. Make chain 1 and skip 1, 2 and then 3 double crochet stitches. Work into the fourth one right here. We would make 3 loops with the same process and pull the yarn through all these loops together. And now we would make chain 1 and then chain 2 as well. After making 2 chains, go into the same stitch again, wrap the yarn, draw a loop first time, wrap the yarn again, draw a loop second time, wrap the yarn again and draw a loop for the third time. Pull the yarn through all these loops together. You can make loops 4 times or 5 times as well. Make chain 1, skip 3 chains, go into the fourth chain and make a puff of 3 loops. By making 4 or 5 loops, your puffs will be more visible. I have less yarn, so I am teaching you to make it with 3 loops, but you can also make with 5 loops. It will be more visible and more attractive. So this is our third shell of puff stitches. Complete it till the end with the same process. Now last round would be made with the starting yarn. So take this yarn and we would join it to make last round in this third chain. So join this yarn first by making a slip stitch with this color. Now we would start our working in this chain 2 space between these puff stitches. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and then double crochet 6. This is a shell stitch of 6 double crochet stitches. Now in the chain 1 space between these puff stitches make a single crochet stitch like this, then make another single crochet into this same chain 1 space, and we would make a shell stitch into the next chain 2 space again. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then double crochet 6. After making 6 double crochet stitches in the next chain 1 space, make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2. Repeat the same process of making 6 double crochet in chain 2 space and 2 single crochet stitches in chain 1 space. Now in the last chain 1 space, make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 and pull this yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now with the help of tapestry needle or yarn needle, we would weave these yarn ends at the back side of our coaster. So I have woven all the yarn ends as well, and our very beautiful coaster is ready. So I hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.